Dubbed as the Philippines' world-class urban planner, serving a remarkable and prolific 46 years in architecture, 44 years in planning, and 4 years as an architect urban planner. He started working when he was only 27 years old. At a relatively young age, he became a senior architect and planner for the government of Dubai. And on July 1989, he established and became the principal architect urban planner of his own company, the PALAFOX Associates. As of this year, he has visited and observed the architecture, urban development, culture, and history of 1,000 cities in 74 countries and gave talks and presentations as speaker in lectures in 20 countries. Among his other awards and recognitions, he was conferred with the title of Honorary Fellow of the Royal Institution of Singapore, awarded with the title of Doctor Fellow of the Royal Institute of Architects Singapore, and bestowed with the title of Doctor Fellow of the Royal Institution of Singapore. He was likewise conferred with the degree of Doctor of Fine Arts by the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Since its establishment with architect PALAFOX as its head, PALAFOX Associates and PALAFOX Architecture have done more than 1,200 projects in 39 countries and has won more than 200 awards and recognitions. The first Filipino architectural conglomerate, PALAFOX Architecture, was among the top 500 architectural firm according to the World Architecture magazine in 1999, and was the only Southeast Asian architectural company included in the top 100 largest practices and the top 8 leisure projects in the world in 2012. Hailed as one of Forbes Asia magazine's 48 Heroes of Philanthropy in Asia. Here with us in Give Us This Day is highly acclaimed architect and noted urban planner, Felino, Jude PALAFOX.